Evening and welcome back to another Project Bimmer video. This time we've got a problem with the car and I'll show you what it is. So I think the best way of showing you is to actually demonstrate it. I'll just start it up. And it's struggling to idle, you can hear it, it's not idling very well. And the fix might be quite simple. Now this problem, it only happens when it's idling because it drives alright. And the problem is, if you can see it, the idle control valve. It's probably clogged up, needs a right good cleaning, so I need to get it. I don't know if you can see it down there. It's just past the alternator. And let's see, get the light down. There. It's just a matter of disconnecting the connector there and just pulling it off. So I'll have a go at getting it. I'll probably won't be able to show it on camera because it's in such an awkward place. So I think I'm just going to have to do it off camera. Well, I thought I'll just take all this off to make my life a bit easier. And then I noticed this pipe split, which probably isn't helping. And just get the light on. And I think that's our idle control valve that's under there. And it looks like I'm going to have to take half this manifold off. So I'll just keep on dismantling. Right, I've just had an idea, and this is just for proof of concept. I've just wrapped some electrical tape around there, and we'll see if this fixes the problem, because this hose, it come out really easy, so it's either popped off or it's split. So if it works after this, I know I just need a new hose. Right, I've secured the hose back on, buttoned everything back up. So it's time for the moment of truth. Let's see if it'll work. And there we go. It was as simple as a split hose. So I've proved that that's what the problem is. And I'll probably order another one from BMW. I've got access to the parts catalogue on realoem.com, so I can find the part number easy enough. Give the dealer a ring and get a new part ordered up. But that was just proof of concept. So nice easy fix. It's not actually cost me anything to fix it, but that was just to prove that it was a problem. Here we are at the BMW dealer. I ordered the part. I ordered it on a Thursday. It's now Saturday morning. So we'll go over and we'll get the part picked up. I might even fit it while I'm here. I've got the part here, genuine BMW part, see if we can get it fitted. Not near as the offending part. see where it's split. It's starting to split again, so I knew it wasn't going to last, but it's lasted long enough. So get this new part fitted. I'm not sure which way around it goes, so I'll just take the tape off. See which way. I think it's same whichever way I fit it. Right, get it fitted. And that is that. So all done. New hose. So that's a permanent fix. Right, okay, we'll see if it's still alright after fitting that new part. It should be. So here we go. Yep, and we're good. So that's a confirmed fix. Well, that's definitely the end of this video. So hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching and I'll see you there.